Hello all. My name is Govind, and this is my first video. Like, uh, I will going to give some insight, like whatever I know on the software testing, Python, and some other technical stuff. Whatever I know, I'm trying to give you the some knowledge for that. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. So today, like, I will start with software testing. So what is software testing? This is the main question. Okay, so the software testing is a type of software testing is a type of verification and validation. Validation where we verify that software is working as expected. So there are different types of software testing. Different types of software testing. Okay, so the first is manual testing, and second is automation testing. Okay, so manual testing again consists with different types, like white box, black box, and gray box. So as I told, software testing having different types. One is like the manual, then automation, then manual is having white box, black box, gray box, and white box having unit testing. Okay, then black box having two types, functional and non-functional. Okay, you can see that in the diagram, functional and non-functional, and functional again having two types, integration and system testing. Okay, and in non-functional there are different types like performance, usability, and compatibility. And performance having load, stress, stability, scalability, and all those things. Okay, and if you have any questions, any doubts, please post your questions, like, share, and comment. So in the next video I will try to go through each and every type of testing in detail, so it can help you for the interview purpose, for your knowledge purpose. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It will help me a lot it will encourage me to make more videos. Yep. Thank you.